The downfall of Joe the Boss Masseria, a prominent mafia boss in the early 20th century, was orchestrated by his ambitious rival, Lucky Luciano. This video delves into Luciano's plot to eliminate Masseria, which ultimately led to a significant shift in power within the American Mafia. The rivalry between Luciano and Masseria. Joe Masseria, a Sicilian-born mobster, rose to prominence during the Prohibition era, establishing a tight grip over various criminal activities, particularly bootlegging. Luciano, an up-and-coming member of the Mafia, recognized Masseria's dominance and felt that his own ambitions were hindered by Masseria's authoritarian rule. This fueled a personal and professional rivalry between the two, forming strategic alliances. Luciano realized that he couldn't take down Masseria alone. To strengthen his position, he formed strategic alliances with influential figures, including Jewish gangster Meyer Lansky and Italian boss Frank Costello. Together, they devised a plan to rid themselves of Masseria's control and establish a new order within the American Mafia. The Castellammarese War. In 1930, tensions among mafia factions erupted into a full-scale conflict known as the Castellammarese War. Luciano saw an opportunity to weaken Masseria's power during this war between Masseria's forces and those loyal to rival mobster, Salvatore Maranzano. Luciano strategically aligned himself with Maranzano to undermine Masseria's authority and ultimately seized the opportunity to eliminate him. Betrayal and assassination. On April 15, 1931, Luciano and his allies meticulously planned an ambush at a Coney Island restaurant. Luciano convinced Masseria's loyal hitman to betray his boss by promising a better future under their leadership. With the collaboration of Luciano, Albert Anastasia, Joe Adonis, Vito Genovese and Bugsy Siegel executed the hit, shooting Masseria dead. The aftermath and the rise of Luciano. Masseria's assassination signaled a power shift within the American Mafia. Luciano, along with his close associates, filled the void left by Masseria's demise. Luciano's strategic cunning, combined with the alliances he had forged, allowed him to establish himself as a dominant force in the Mafia and introduced a new era of cooperation and organization. The Commission and Luciano's legacy. Following Masseria's elimination, Luciano played a crucial role in creating the Commission, a governing body that aimed to maintain order and settle disputes within the American Mafia. This further solidified his control and influence over the criminal underworld. Luciano's actions in eliminating Masseria and subsequently restructuring the Mafia laid the groundwork for modern organized crime in the United States. Conclusion. Lucky Luciano's plot to eliminate Joe Masseria was a calculated move to seize power and establish himself as a prominent figure in the American Mafia. Through strategic alliances, betrayal, and the ultimate assassination of Masseria, Luciano succeeded in reshaping the criminal underworld. Masseria's downfall marked the beginning of Luciano's reign and set the stage for the evolution of the American Mafia.